Hey, my name's Lucy, and this is my demo for 3% Club Building with Web3 and AI Hackathon 2025. From all the blockchains, Ethereum was chosen for AutoSight because it provides a secure, decentralized platform. From all the blockchains, Ethereum was chosen for AutoSight because it provides a secure display real-time proposals and update UI, and it'll help with showing the decision history linked to specific parts of NFTs, so we can go through Etherscan and be able to track all the proposals that were made. And then we have accounts, this is a testnet account, so these are not real. This is not the real key, but we have external a testnet account, so these are not real. This is externally owned accounts, so EOA. So these could be factory managers, suppliers who vote on these proposals, and smart contract accounts, which include AutoSight DAO contracts that hold logic for proposal creation, voting, and storage. Compared to other blockchains, Ethereum is the better option because it's most developer friendly with tons of tutorials and SDKs. The DAO ecosystem is mature and there are easy on-ramps in addition to things that work with digital twins like Chainlink. We're using DAO House, where you can summon a DAO, and that's going to be called AutoSight DAO, Automotive Oversight through AI, Transparency, and Decentralization. And the name of the token is Site Token, and the symbol is VSite. It's usually 3 letters, but VSite. Proposal timing. The voting period for AutoSight DAO is currently set to 5 days. The reason is due to handling of time-sensitive manufacturing anomalies, so a 5-day window ensures stakeholders can review and vote without delaying urgent decisions. 1 day grace period, so this is helpful for if anyone has a 24-hour objection before proposals are finalized. And then there's other information, like 12% here is chosen because we want a lean initial member base with a lower threshold, which ensures urgent proposals are blocked due to low voter turnout. And then the minimum retention percentage is set to 55% because that's a balance between majority consensus and agility, allowing decisions to pass with a fair mandate while avoiding gridlock. Sponsor threshold is set to 1, so any DAO member can sponsor a proposal ensuring accessibility. That's also why the new offering ETH price is around 0.05, which is low, right? So the onboarding fee is kept accessible for early contributors with a lower threshold to ensure broader participation during the pilot phase. This would include the second and third tier automobile manufacturers. The images are stored in IPFS, and so here's the images are stored in IP. Here are 3 images of an electric brake actuator from Mexico, a power inverter module from Germany, and a battery cell connector from Taiwan. Right. So the electric brake actuator is pictured here, and this is a tier 1 supplier from Mexico. Is pictured here, and this is a tier. Can share the link, so this could be shared via a QR code, and this QR code could be embedded with digital twin and sensor data streams. So if there was a, can share the link, so this could be shared via a QR code, and this QR code could be embedded a bad batch of electric brake actuators, then it would be tracked electric brake actuators via that QR code. So we can click inspect, and you can look at the Merkle tree, which you can also find in the Explore part of IPFS. So for example, if there were potential environmental stress testing failures that are not caught upstream, it could be tracked via the Merkle tree, and AutoSight can look at the variances in the defects with the computer vision model and then log that onto the blockchain. So for example, if there were potential environmental stress testing failures that are not caught upstream, it could be tracked via the Merkle tree. The last example would be battery cell connectors from LG Energy Solution to Taiwan and then assembled in Detroit, Michigan. And you can see there are multiple connectors in one image. So imagine a vision system that can view 1,000, 2,000 connectors, and that vision system is able to spot, okay, I can't zoom in here, but hypothetically it's able to zoom in and spot defects, right? Microscopic defects that the human eye can't visibly see 2,000 defects in like a couple seconds, right? So if that were to happen, then this specific product would be recalled, and that would be tied to the DAO NFT blockchain and shared with LG and regulators in Michigan and Taiwan.